Hi again, this is Irfan with a Nikon F2 Beast. Today this is what I have come across. It's a huge camera with a motor winder on it, MB1. It also came with the shutter release, soft shutter release button, AR1. This was my recent find. Comes with a special finder. I bought a couple of cameras and this was one of those. Shutter is working well on all speeds. Again, this baby has spent years in a bag. It came in a Tomka bag. It also has a Tomka strap attached to it. I need at least, I believe, 10 batteries to power up the motor. I'm going to charge my AA batteries to test the motor winder. It looks pretty clean from inside. I don't see any corrosion. Comes with the AA holders. Saw it and simply grabbed it. Pretty decent example. Cosmetically, I don't see any serious cosmetic wear, though there is some age-related wear, edge wear, which is very common with these cameras. Otherwise, looks pretty decent to me. There's this adapter for the shutter release cable. So I'm very fond of F2s, so I have a good number of F2s in my collection. This is going to be the addition to my F2 collection, or I might say, God knows. Again, you have any questions, comments, feel free to write to me. In the meantime, I will try to find something more in the world of cameras, and we'll upload the videos soon. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you.